Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how to reverse a video on Picsart. Reversing a video in Picsart is a creative way to add a unique twist to your content, whether for social media, personal projects, or professional presentations. First of all, open up the Picsart application on your device and make sure you have the latest version of the app. Now sign into your account like you normally would, and then tap on the plus button at the bottom of the screen to create a new project. Now, select a video from your device's camera roll, and once selecting the video, open up the video in the Edit section. Once you have the video layer in the Edit screen, go ahead and tap the video layer from the menu. Now you'll see several other options available at the bottom. Swipe through it and look for reverse. You'll only be able to reverse your video if you are a Plus subscriber on Picsart. So if you are not, make sure you are a Plus subscriber. And once you are, you can simply tap on reverse from the bottom. If you're not the Plus subscriber yet, go ahead and select the monthly or yearly package and click on continue. So now after you do that, you will be able to reverse the video. You can then play the reversed video to preview the effect. So that's how you can easily reverse a video in Picsart, but make sure you are a Plus subscriber in order to make it applicable. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.